Bake these cookies with me as I talk to you about where to go, what to do during Amsterdam Pride Week. Everyone knows about Canal Pride. It's the highlight of the Amsterdam Pride. But if you really want to enjoy all of Amsterdam Pride, you just gotta lock in. The first Pride was in 1996. I often hear people ask, do we still need a Pride? I don't know why you would ask such a question. That's a weird question to me. But anyway, the answer is simply yes. Pride started as a protest, y'all. So yes, we still need a Pride every year. Let's get into the video. I bought this package to be faster, but now I'm not sure what to add. I think it said like butter. I don't know how I bought a package and still did the steps wrong, because there's only 3 steps and I still did it wrong because they told me to add the butter first. And now I went ahead and put the other stuff first, so that's not okay, y'all. Anyway, let's start with the first thing, which is like the Pride kickoff, the Amsterdam Pride kickoff. It happens in the Pride, let's say Pride Park, which is just a Vondel Park in Amsterdam. It's a pretty central park. You can't really miss it, but just use Google Maps. On July 26th from 12 to 10. It's the official kickoff with music stages, drag shows, sports, rainbow market, and food stalls. So I know some of y'all be hungry. Don't complain because there's food stalls, okay? Let's see, I need 100 grams of butter. I'm just gonna add the butter and then pray for the best. Lol. Along with the Pride Park, there's also a Junior Pride Park, which is for little kids, which is like a kid-friendly space area with crafts, storytelling, and family activities. I mean, check it out for sure. If you have kids, I think this is such a cute introduction to Pride. Like, even if you go visit Amsterdam for the weekend, for the week, you can just enjoy that with your family. Also, July 26th, there's the Pride March, the Pride Walk. I'm sure everyone is familiar with a Pride Walk. Let's crack the egg. No, I have to mix this first. I don't know what I'm doing. How the do I do everything wrong when there's only like a few steps? Thumbs down. I covered July 26th, but during the whole week there's like arts, there's like specific shows. You just have to check out the Amsterdam Pride website. They have the full program. July 28th, there will be a Pride at the beach, which is at Zandvoort. They consider it part of Pride Amsterdam, but just check your travels if you do go, because it's not Amsterdam. I don't want you to be embarrassed. Go to Amsterdam, ask about a beach, and they're like, a beach? Zandvoort? That's not here. You're gonna have to travel. You're gonna have to go back to Central Station and travel to Zandvoort. On July 31, there will be a senior Pride concert, which is very cute. It's a free outdoor concert celebrating LGBTQ seniors with life acts. So that's very cute. I don't know what's happening with my mixture. This does not look good at all. Maybe I need to put this like... Wait! Honestly, that felt kind of homophobic, but that's just me. During Pride Amsterdam, there will be the open air cinema. There will be free queer screenings under the stars, I'm not sure if it's under the stars. It does start at 6 till like 12. But I think around 6 it's still pretty light outside, so I don't know if it will be under the stars. But it's cute anyway. So this is happening July 30 and 31 at Mercatorplein in Amsterdam. And another date is Friday, August 1 at the Gers Winplein. Let's add the chocolate chips. Okay, chill. You don't need to be doing all that. So I think this is pretty much done. But what I want to do is make these colorful. Which color should we do first? You know what might be better if I just mix it in? Like I make a hole and I mix it in. Oh, I kinda ate. Look. Did I or did I not eat? Now I will do the blue one. But first I need to wash my hands. Look. The street parties begin August 1 and August 2nd. Every street there will be a party. Okay, that's a lie. In most of the important streets, there will be a party. So if you just walk from Amsterdam Central Station, you will most definitely find a party. But to give you a tip, Reguliere Dwarsstraat is the gay street of Amsterdam, Dam Square in Amsterdam. There will be a big stage and a party and whatever. But if you walk a little bit further from Reguliere Dwarsstraat, there will be like the Caribbean street party, I'm sure, because I believe there is a Caribbean POC, whatever, queer bar that's there. So if you're more into that, you should go there. There will also be Femacing on August 1, which is like the queer woman party. Oh my god, I love this color. Don't you like blue? It's so pretty. Gordon Ramsay would have walked in my house right now. He would be like, everyone out. Like, I would be breaking so many health restrictions or whatever when doing this. But anyway, that's fine. And then on August 2nd, there is the most important party. Probably the party why everyone gets to Amsterdam each year. Decorated boats going through the canals of Amsterdam. It's a must-see highlight. If you've never seen it, it's a must-see highlight. Just be sure to be there early or you won't secure a good spot to see the boat. It does take the whole day, so if you want to see all 80, you will be there the whole day. So maybe you can go to one half of the day, you see the boats, the other half you go to the block parties. That would be perfect. August 3rd, there is a closing party at the Dam Square, which all wraps the whole week up. And you can party just one last time. If you partied August 2nd, this is like the math I'm having, right? You go to Femacing August 1, but take it easy, right? August 2nd, you watch the boats, you catch a party here and there, and then you go home, right? August 3rd, boom, you celebrate the most. Like you wrap it all up and enjoy the ending party. Ooh, this is not gonna, I don't know if this is gonna be cute because the dough is already brown. Now I'm gonna have to make something cute out of this. I stress myself out. Okay, so I just pick a piece from every color and then just roll it. Look at my dough! Y'all, look at the cookies we made. Did we or did we not eat that? Low-key? Low-key, we ate that.